day to all of you. I'm Achini Abeygunawardene presenting Project-Based Learning, a journey of wonder for little explorers, nurturing curiosity, creativity, and lifelong learning through hands-on projects. What is project-based learning? Project-based learning is stepping away from textbooks, worksheets, and into a world where children learn by doing things, exploring, and creating. Why is project-based learning important? More than just memorizing facts, project-based learning fosters essential skills for life. The first is curiosity and inquiry. This is where children ask questions, investigate, and discover new things. 2. Creativity and problem solving. Through project-based learning, they learn to imagine, design, and build solutions for challenges. Number 3. Collaboration and communication. Working together, sharing ideas, and expressing knowledge is another important aspect of project-based learning. Number 4. They get confidence and independence. Children learn to take ownership of learning and embracing risks. Lastly, resilience and perseverance. This is where children learn to overcome obstacles and learn from their mistakes. I'm going to explain project-based learning by different age groups. First, the toddlers. These are children between 18 months and 3 years. The key aspects here would be sensory exploration, open-ended play, and fostering curiosity. The project ideas are building with blocks, creating art with natural materials, conducting simple experiments with water and air, and also engaging in sensory bin play. Now let's talk about the benefits that toddlers get from these projects. These projects foster sensory exploration and creativity through open-ended projects like building with blocks, creating art with natural materials, and conducting simple experiments. Also, it supports the development of language, social skills, and problem solving through collaborative play and exploration. Here is how you make it real for toddlers. We have done a sensory bin scavenger hunt where the toddlers go and find different types of materials from the bins. In this slide, you can see some toddlers working with empty toilet rolls, and they have made a cardboard castle, creating nature collages. Now let's look at the preschoolers aged 3 to 5 years and how project-based learning would help them. The key aspects here would be developing imagination, encouraging exploration, questioning, and building social emotional skills. Now these are some project ideas that you can work with your students. Planting a mini garden, designing and building a simple structure, for example, a fort or a puppet theater, or it could be even a little bridge. Conducting mini investigations on everyday phenomena such as magnetism and shadows. Creating and performing a play about their favorite story. This would all be project-based learning for preschoolers. What would be the benefits that preschoolers gain from project-based learning? It ignites curiosity and encourages inquiry through projects like planting a garden, building a mini city, or designing solutions for everyday problems. Also, it provides opportunities for critical thinking, communication, collaboration, as children work together on projects and share their findings. Let's see how we can make it real for preschoolers. Planting a seed and observing its growth, designing a bird feeder, conducting mini experiments with water and air. Now we move to kindergartners, aged 5 to 6 years. The key aspects here would be introduction to basic scientific concepts, fostering collaboration and critical thinking, building confidence in problem solving. Now let's look at some project ideas for these children. Building a model of a solar system, designing solutions to real-world problems. Example, a recycling project or building a bird feeder. Researching and presenting on a topic of interest. For example, community helpers or on endangered animals. Let's look at the benefits. First, it deepens understanding of concepts through projects investigating real-world topics like magnetism, gravity, or animal habitats. Next, it promotes independence, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills as children take ownership of their learning and projects. How can we make it real for kindergartners? We can build a model solar system. We can write and perform a play about endangered animals and also create presentations on their community helpers. Now I will give you some tips to make it awesome for teachers. First, focus on the journey, not the destination. Celebrate the exploration, experimentation, and discoveries along the way. 2. Provide open-ended materials and prompts. Here, as a teacher, you have to encourage creativity and imagination, letting children guide their learning. 3. Embrace collaboration and teamwork. As a teacher, you have to create a supportive environment where the children can learn from each other. 4. Document the learning process. Here, we can take photographs, videos, and notes to capture children's ideas, questions, and achievements, and we can celebrate it later. Lastly, have fun and enjoy the process. Project-based learning should be a joyful and engaging experience for everyone involved. Here are some tips for teachers and parents. 1. Provide open-ended prompts and questions. This means to encourage exploration and curiosity, allowing children to drive the direction of their projects. 2. Focus on the process, not the product. This means we have to let the children celebrate the journey of learning and experimentation. We have to value the children's efforts and discoveries over a perfect final outcome. 3. Create a supportive environment. Here we have to provide diverse materials, resources, and guidance, fostering collaboration and problem-solving skills. 4. Document the learning process. This means, as I said before, to take photographs, videos, notes to capture children's ideas, questions, and discoveries. Empower young minds to be curious explorers, creative problem solvers, and lifelong learners. Start small, experiment, and watch the sparks of wonder ignite. Thank you.